Hi, Nicole here. Welcome to another video. As you can see, I am out on this hiking trail and I have a location shoot coming up for a brand client, and why I wanted to share with you a couple of my tips when you're out location scouting outdoors for your brand session. All right, here we go. So tip number one, I have never been on this trail. It's significant to my client. So I got a map, found the location, was able to go here and get a sense of where we are logistically for photo shoot day. Number two is, and most importantly, I want to get a sense of the lighting. As you can see, there's a lot of coverage with the branches and the leaves. So I'll probably bring secondary light, like a speed light on top of my camera, just to give a pop of light for the photos. So I'm also walking through capturing images of potential backdrops, areas for the actual photos, and this will help in the planning and design of the photo shoot. I'm using two different apps. One will show me the sun in this about 8 a.m., what the sun is like this early and throughout the day. Also using AllTrails map just to make sure that I'm on the trail that she has specified. And yeah, I'm just walking around seeing the potential for the photo shoot, and it's going to be a great time. Let me know if you have any questions. So I hope this was helpful for your next on location photo shoot. I always like to location scout if need be, especially if I haven't been there before. So, all right, I'll talk to you soon.